Hey Parnassians, it's me again, Magister Beck, and it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's another edition of Minute to Win It. This is going to be week 7 or episode 7, and for this edition, we are going to do The Floor is Lava. So you can make your own course either in your living room, at a playground. I'm a little too big and heavy to jump around on the couches and furniture in my house, so I made up a little course with stuff I had laying around in the yard just in my little cement pool deck area. And it's pretty basic. I'm just going to run right through it. Basically, the rules are you cannot touch the ground. So I can't touch the asphalt, or not the asphalt, but the concrete at all. So I can't touch the floor because the floor is lava. That's the whole point of the game. And for this, I'm going to try to get it done in a minute. It's not a very big course. It should be fairly easy, just an example. But if you guys want to have some real fun with it, you can try to get 2 other family members to do this with you and try to get all 3 of you across your course you make at your house in under a minute. So I'm just going to run through this real quick so you guys know what it's like, and I'll be back in 2 seconds. So that's basically my little example of a course. I had a beginning and an end, and the whole time I didn't touch the ground. And if I had 2 other people behind me, I had that little cart that I wheeled on. When I got to the ladder, I probably would have pushed it back so they could use it. But make your own course, have some fun with it with your family. Like I said, you can do it on a playground, in your living room, basement. You can use couch cushions. Just be creative with it. Like I said, I just found some stuff in the yard and the garage and threw it on the floor and had a blast with it. So hope you guys have fun with it, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Have a great day.